Hairstyles.com, and I love to do sock buns, so I'm going to show you how to make a sock because most people don't really know or get the wrong sock or the wrong size. So this is just one way I'm just going to show you. So I got this sock. I think you can get it anywhere. It's more of the longer, bigger socks. Like my dad would wear these if he had these, and so it's really long, it's really thick. Anyways, so as you can see, I've already cut off the bottom part, the toe. But so that's all you really do is, yeah, that's all you have to do really is just cut off the toe. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna roll it from the toe where you cut it off. You just roll it under, and you just keep rolling it under, keep rolling it under. You just kind of make it so it's tight. And then just keep doing that until you get to the end. And then at the end, it's kind of like this, and you just have to roll it over. So there's your sock bun. That's all you have to do. Just cut off the toe and just roll it up.